Are you having fun, guys, at Stone Zoo? Ah, look at that black-necked crane. Let me take a pic. Hi. Hi. Oh. My babies are tired from walking from the zoo. Woohoo. So hot, but it's kind of a little bit cool in here, maybe because of the water. Stone Zoo. Get close, all you curious. Oh God. Look at your footprint. Look at. That's what they say. It's next. Oh, you can. I think you can look inside, right? It's a Mexican guava. Oh wow, that's huge. Can you see it? Oh, it's running. Auntie Lori. Yeah, I just took my babies to Stone Zoo. On a Stone Zoo, minutes me visiter zoo. Charlie a va quitter Timoun yon dans fait marché avec mener dans zoo, mener yon dans parc, mener al visiter, mener yon dans tout côté nous connaît yo ka gen fun. Est-ce que nous comprenons mes amours de moi avant l'école là ouvert. Ka gen Timoun yo pe de chita en dedans, regarder télévision, jouer game, manger les comme ça au prend poids. Y a vinn gros même j'ai tati Jésus. M'a vle ça. Ah ouais, so men yo nan zoo, men yo al visiter université, men yo nan bateau. Yo pas acheter, n'a besoin tout bail ça yo en ligne. Yo pas vraiment cher. Ah, cool. Oh, they're so cute. Look it. Running from auntie. Redhead. Oh, good all. Lick. Kade kuyo. Ah, the kuyo. So cute. You're just so loud. Gosh.